guys, welcome back to my channel. Chef It's Your Girl here. Today I'm back with another dessert. We're going to be making a vanilla magic custard cake. Now before I start, I got a new dog and his name is Diesel. Say hi, Diesel. Okay, no, alrighty. But before I start, I'm going to put Diesel down and I'm going to wash my hands. Make sure to preheat your oven to 325 and we're going to grease our pan lightly. Alrighty, and then you're gonna set it aside. So now that we set our pan aside, we're gonna be whipping some egg whites. So with egg whites, you're not putting the yolk in there, you're just using the whites. So let's do this. Now we gonna whisk it until stiff peaks form. So now that we set aside our egg whites, make sure to put the leftover egg yolks in here. And now we're gonna be using 1 1/4 cup to take out the powdered sugar and put it in there. First, 1 cup. There goes 1. And then 1/4. Now we're gonna beat it until it's pale yellow. So I'm done mixing it and it looks pale yellow like it should be. So now we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of butter and it should be melted. So we're gonna put that in there. And then we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of water. And now we are going to combine 2 minutes. So I'm done mixing. Here's what it looks like. You can't really see it because I don't need it falling. And now we're gonna put in 1 cup of flour into the bowl. Now I'm going to put my mixture from here and here. Ooh, okay. And now we're going to mix. So now that I'm done mixing it, we're going to be pouring in our milk. But our milk is cold and it says for it to be lukewarm. So we're just going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So this is going to be 2 cups of milk. So now I'm gonna go put this in the microwave. So now that we microwaved our milk, we're gonna be putting it in there. Okay. Now we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. Now don't add any extra because this is really strong. And now we're gonna mix it until well combined. So let's get mixing. So now that we're done mixing our mixture, we're gonna add in our egg whites, one third at a time. Mix it a little bit and put it in again. It smells so good. Cheesecake. So our cake is done cooking. It came out very fine. And now we're gonna taste test. I got my co-taste testers with me, Ali and Mia. So let's get taste testing. First, we're gonna dust it with some powdered sugar. Okay, that's a lot of sugar. Okay. All right, let's take out our pieces. Alrighty, so we're gonna taste test. We don't have any forks. Could you get us some forks, Daddy? Yeah. Thank you very much, Daddy. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Alright, I'll take this piece. Okay. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, wait. Let me taste that. It tastes a little bit like bacon and maple syrup.
Tastes different.
It tastes good. It tastes like bacon and maple syrup, though.
It tastes like eggs.
Tastes like that. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, slap that like button. Follow me on Instagram at chef_Mia_grill. Make sure to watch the previous videos if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Bye.